Today we are doing something simple but very stylish. Tiny cornrows with cute coils at the tips. And guess what? No edge control. We're keeping it 100% natural today. So sit back, relax, and watch how this looks comes out together. Trust me, you'll love the final results. First things first, we start by sectioning the hair. If you want neat cornrows, your parts are super important. I'm using a take comb to get those clean lines, but if you don't have one, no wahala. Just do your best with whatever you've got. Now, the key to this style is to make sure your sections are small. The smaller the braids, the more defined the coils and the tips will be. For the braiding part, if you've ever done cornrows before, you know the drill. But in case you're new to this, I'll break it down for you. Cornrows are just weaving of 3 strands of hair that stays close to your scalp. The trick is to pull gently so it's not too tight. Remember, we want to protect the hair, not stress it. Notice how I'm braiding all the way down until I leave just a small section of hair at the tips. This is where the magic will happen. With the coils later, no need to rush. Take your time with each braid to make sure it's neat. Now that I've braided a few rows, let me talk about why I'm skipping edge control. Honestly, sometimes natural edges have their own beauty, especially when you're keeping things soft and simple. And some people like a sleek look, but today we're embracing the natural fluffy edges. It's more relaxed, more authentic, and still cute. Plus, edge control can sometimes weigh the hair down or leave residue. But with this style, your focus is on the cornrows and the coils. So whether your edges are laid or not, the look will still be popping. Alright, I've got all the braids in place now. It's time to add the coils. For this, I'm going to use my wool to tie it. If you don't have thread or something, or you want to use a perm rod, you can also use anything that holds the hair in place while it coils. Bending rollers or even just twisting the ends tightly can work. We'll wrap the ends around the rods, making sure the hair is smooth on that coils. Once that's done, I'll dip the ends in hot water for a few seconds. Please be careful with this part. You don't want to burn yourself. After the hot water treatment, it's time to let the coils set. Unravel the rods carefully. You can already see how juicy those coils look. See how they bounce, and that's what we're going for. Soft defined coils at the ends of the cornrows. It's giving that fresh, natural, classy vibe. And there you have it, tiny cornrows with coils at the tips. It's a simple but elegant style and can last you for a few weeks. And the best part, no need to stress about laying down edges, whether you're going for a casual day out or even a formal look. This hairstyle will have you looking on point. Thanks for watching. If you love this look, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let me know in the comments section if you try this hairstyle or if you have any tips to share. Until next time, still fabulous. And remember, natural is beautiful. Bye for now.